We were doing a preventative maintenance service on the Ariens 926 LE. I'm sure that other Ariens owners have run into this, or anybody who has a similar chute. The failure point here is actually this rubber boot. And I'm sure the rubber boot is dirt cheap, but that's all dry rotted and brittle. The cable's actually cracked here. And I noticed that when I was trying to lubricate it, it was also separated here. So I'm guessing that it's been frozen for a while, and the owner probably tried to jam on it a couple times. And really what it needed was some lubrication. I did get this one freed up, so if you pull the cap off and you squirt a little WD-40 down it, or whatever your preferred lubricant is, that seems to assist it. You want to put it on both sides, so I squirted some in this side. I also put a little Lucas Marine grease down in there, and grease the bottom of the rod on here, and sprayed the inside of that spring there. And it's a spring loaded bar there, I should say. Actually, it's probably not spring loaded, it's just a bar, just a joint, like a door hinge. Lubricate up in here, because there's a cable that runs in here. You just spray your WD-40 in there. It is a 10mm if you want to pull it off, but really there's no need to pull it off. You can put some grease on there too. It is a gear, so I mean, you can see the gear on the bottom there. But the way that this cable works is, if you push it forward just a little bit, it will unlock or unlatch this, and then when you let it go, it'll lock it at the bottom. Grease points that I saw here, that I'm familiar with, behind the wheel. Pull the pin on the wheel. 4 grease points in the front auger, in your first stage, and then you can pull the cover to look at the belts for the there's a 10mm here, and then a 10mm on the other side. You can pull and inspect your belts. The belts didn't look terrible on this one, but not a bad looking unit. Put a little air in the tires yet. Send her on her way. I just wanted to point out that that problem child with the Ariens. It's probably easier just to replace the cable. There is a part number I did see on here. It says 069000018. If you're looking for a cable, or you lost the cable, or the cable is so badly damaged you couldn't find the part on it, everything's pretty much available online anyways anymore. So, but this just came in, oil change, preventative maintenance, and this one could be modified if you wanted to. The auger actually on these aren't too bad. The impeller, I should say. If you wanted to put a 1/4-inch rubber truck flap in there to help throw snow, it's definitely possible on that particular unit. Some of the Ariens have some really bent, curved impellers, which make it a little bit more difficult to actually attach the squeegee setup to it. But everything looked good. Check the gear case oil there too. Looks good.